Hello everybody and welcome to my video. Happy holidays. Today we're going to be creating a Rudolph makeup look. Before we get started, ensure that you're following me on Instagram, Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment down below, and share this video with friends and family. It helps people find my content and it helps my page grow. Thank you guys for all of your support. Now let's get started with the tutorial. I'm going to start applying foundation. I'm going to be applying highlight and contour. Now I'm going to enhance the highlight and contour with powder. Alright, now I'm going to apply blush. Now that I've applied blush in the areas where I want the contrast to be for the reindeer, I'm going to start the detail work on the eyes. Now going to cut the crease. I'm going to set the cut crease with a white eyeshadow because then we're going to apply a black eyeliner to expand the eye shape because we are a reindeer. The eyeliner is still drying, that's why I can't really move my face, but look at the difference! We're becoming Rudolph! Still drying, but look at the effects. We're starting to look like a reindeer. So excited. Now that I have my eyeliner complete, I'm going to apply mascara and the lashes. Lashes are on and drying. This is what I have so far. It's still drying, but look! Wow! It looks so cool. I'm going to apply the white dots all over the face. Ooh, we're Rudolph. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. It's time to complete the look with my hair. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Are you ready? Here is my makeup look. Do you like it? Ooh. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. ensure that you're following me on Instagram, Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment down below, and share this video with friends and family. It helps people find my content and it helps my page grow. Thank you guys for all of your support. Happy holidays.